Hi, my name is Lan and I am not a cook. Since we're promoting an Eat Healthy challenge this week at DPC Health, I thought I would share with you a fun recipe that I found online of something that we love to eat here in the office. Our go-to healthy meal for the team and I are lettuce wraps, which we usually purchase at a restaurant nearby. So I've never attempted this recipe and I'm not a cook, but I thought I would try to attempt to make it so that we're saving a little bit of money today and eating healthier this week. All right, to get started, I already chopped up all of the things that I needed. I have some green onions, garlic, some yellow onions, and water chestnuts. Okay, so to get started, we're going to go ahead and add our onions into the pan. And then when we're ready, we're gonna go ahead and add in our garlic. I love the smell of garlic. Is that weird? Okay, while the chicken is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and prepare our sauce to pour into the chicken.
Dance, all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, 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 ain't nobody leaving, so it's okay, dance. We're flying up to flying, flying up, no ceiling, flying, we're flying, turn it on. Up to flying, flying up, no ceiling, flying, we're flying, turn it on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, 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 ain't nobody leaving, so keep dancing. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance.
Then we're gonna add in our water chestnuts. While that's still cooking, go ahead and prepare your lettuce. I already have mine washed and cut so that it's the perfect size.
All through my home, we're flying up no ceiling when we're in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good song in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh.
Whenever you're ready and you're hungry, go ahead and give it a try. So I'm gonna use 2 lettuce for my wrap, just because I think it's a little too heavy for one. I'm not gonna overfill it, and then I'm going to wrap it up like so and give it a bite. This was definitely worth waiting for. How offended do you think the rest of the team will be if I don't share this with them? Alright, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you for tuning in for Lan is Not a Cook. Let us know what you're eating this week and make sure that you're playing bingo so that you can win awesome prizes from us. Thank you!